Good morning from day 4. Today I decided to take a chance of the sunrise anyway because I had very high hopes, and also because I bought the tickets for this place still last night. But the forecast was telling me that the weather should open up, which clearly hasn't happened. It is raining now, but we're going to take at least one photo. Happy that we got 2 different sets for this photo. If you want drama on these mountains, you got drama. Obviously, if I had a beautiful sunrise, I'd be even happier. But thanks for being here. Make sure you like, subscribe, give it a comment and a share. And I love this place. It feels like I'm not in this planet. Let's set up and take some photos. Overall sunrise conclusion, beautiful place, meh light, but still glad that I left the house rather than just procrastinate and assume it wouldn't happen. So I am still very happy that I came. I got completely different shots from yesterday. One of the things that I'm happy with is that rather than just set the camera on the tripod and do a long exposure to get the clouds smoothing out, as that's what most people would just do, I try different stuff. I try to do a bracketing, so I have a photo that's focused on the mountains, and I have a photo that's focused on the grass on the front to get it nice and sharp and without movement. I try to go telephoto. I try getting details and textures. More than happy that I left the house. I'm happy that I tried different techniques. I'm still stoked about this place. It looks like the end of the world. Is this the end of the world?
On our way back to the Airbnb, we had our first encounter with Icelandic horses. And of course, you know me, I had to stop and take photos. Keeping a respectful distance, I moved around them so I could use the mountains as backdrop. This gave my photos a much more Icelandic character than a simple flat sky, which is what I would get photographing them from the road. After breakfast, with the glaciers from yesterday still in the view, we began our journey north towards Iceland's most remote region. Passing through the mountain tunnel felt like crossing a portal. On the other side, the landscapes grew bigger, quieter, and far more empty.
Today is a day that involves a lot of driving, but there are some very scenic views while we're driving. I had planned to take a drone photo from here, which is the lighthouse, which the name is down here because I cannot remember / pronounce, because back there, I should have closed the jacket, there is a black sand beach, and back there that you cannot even see, there is a mountain. And I think if I manage to take a photo using the drone, the lighthouse as the foreground and the beach and the mountain, that would look really cool. The thing is, it's raining. Icelandic weather, isn't it? Right. Off we go to the car. Continue our journey north. We have quite a few spots on the road today, and the weather is
We continue along the east coast, driving through fjords, until a black sand beach caught our attention. With the moody weather, it felt impossible not to stop. The contrast between the black sand, the white foam, and the green grass from the rocks made it special. Some of the best photos aren't planned. This is one of them. Back on the road, we were surrounded by tall mountains and clouds so low we could almost touch them. We stopped in Djupivor to grab lunch, buy groceries for dinner, stretch our legs, and of course, enjoy one of my favorite travel traditions, trying the local beer. From there, we continue to Svenstexfoss, a waterfall with striking blue waters and endless possibilities for compositions. Instead of staying at the usual viewpoint, I climbed down to a less obvious angle, using the rocks as foreground layers to add depth to my photo.
Os últimos 3% de bateria sempre são os melhores que tem.
Iceland is incredible, isn't it? So I had a few places that I was maybe I'll fit it in the itinerary if I have some time. This is one of them. I wasn't really planning to come to this waterfall unless I really had some spare time. And it is much prettier than a lot of the other waterfalls that I passed by on the way. Look at the color of the water. Also, one of the things that we noticed is from the moment that we drove past Vestrahorn, it was far less tourists. It was pretty much just one car every now and then. Before Vestrahorn, well, in the Golden Circle was buses. But in these places here, you can feel much more the nature is much more calm. So yeah, it's kind of a different way to connect to the nature and just be able to explore even longer. We have one more stop today, which is Hengifoss, our sunset location. It is an hour hike, so we were kind of concerned if we were actually going to do it because of the weather, but it seems like it has cleared up and it seems like it's going to hold up. Once we get there, we'll make sure the weather is going to be good for the rest of the day, and off you go hiking. Wife, you're driving?
Yeah.
Wife's driving.
We continue north, this time on an F road. Without a doubt, the roughest drive of the trip. Sorry, babe. The views were still incredible, with waterfalls, blue rivers, and endless scenery. But as the fog rolled in, visibility dropped fast. Slowly and carefully, we made our way through and finally reached Hengifoss.
The weather seems like it's not going to rain, but it's definitely not going to open up. It's completely cloudy. We are now on the beginning of the hike to Hengifoss. This is one of the most beautiful waterfalls that I've seen images of, so I'm super excited about it. When we noticed that we were gonna miss this waterfall, is kind of when we decided that we were gonna do the whole ring road. Let's hike, because hike and vlog, very exhausting. Now, after an hour of going up, going down, mud, everything, this is probably one of the most anticlimactic moments of every vlog that I will make. That's the waterfall. How pretty is that? I mean, is there even a point of photographing? I want you to see all the red layers, black and red layers around it. As it's just fog. We're gonna chill for a few minutes, see if it clears up a little bit. The weather in Iceland is being changing constantly, so hopefully in a few minutes this will clear up a little bit. Well, that was very much a bummer. Unfortunately, it didn't clear up. In fact, fog even came more down, lower, stronger. whatever word you want to use for it. But it got worse rather than get better. This one was very disappointed because I had very high hopes for it. I am sure this is not going to be my last opportunity to see it. I'm definitely going to include on my workshops. So this one will be one that I will avenge. It might just be the wrong time of the year. Probably summer would have been better. It just kind of sucks that we got to the end for no real reason. Iceland, you know. For now, I'll be leaving this vlog here. Thanks for being here. Thanks for liking. Thanks for following along another day on this fantastic Iceland expedition. Even though we didn't get the sunset shot that we wanted, it is a fantastic day. We've been to so many places. It's just an incredible journey. And this place just keeps surprising every single kilometer we drive. So thanks for being here. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment, share to a friend, because there's much more to come on the following days. Tomorrow is a very, very full day, and I'll see you tomorrow.